If only Carter had a giraffe. He does. Where do you guys come from? Where do you live?
We live in Canada.
In Canada. I like Canada. Do you live in Ontario?
Yeah.
I used to live in Michigan. We go to Ontario all the time.
Granny mistake.
I like Ontario. All right, this is a song about Violet and Carter. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up in Ontario, people are awesome. They're better looking, they're nicer, and they're smarter. And 2 of them are here with us. They have a giraffe and a hippopotamus. It's Violet and Carter. Violet, she carries her hippopotamus everywhere. She's got beautiful princess eyes and princess hair. And Carter loves to play all day, and he loves to laugh. And Carter carries round his very own giraffe. Carter and Violet, one boy, one girl. Carter and Violet, here in Disney World. Carter and Violet, coolest kids we know. Awesome Carter and Princess Violet, the Princess of Ontario.